Hi, welcome everyone to the presentation on the topic Class 1E Electrical Systems in Nuclear Power Plants. As name indicates, Class 1 means the electrical systems that have the great priority, top priority, that is related to the safety systems, and other electrical systems are in the category of non-Class 1E electrical systems. What is Class 1E electrical systems? As per IEEE 308, they are saying that Class 1E electrical systems are the systems that are ensuring the reliability and the capability of the electrical systems for the safety that are critical in the event of accidents, and also they are in the normal and anticipated operational occurrences. In Class 1 electrical systems, broadly they are divided into four. First one is AC power systems and its distribution systems. Second one is DC power systems and its distribution systems. Third one is instrumentation and control systems, and fourth one is containment electrical penetration assemblies. In this, as per IEEE 308, they are recommending some standards for installing these Class 1E electrical systems in nuclear power plant. The design documents or the design data should be in the design basis document. It is mandatory. It will be under the strict surveillance of the regulatory bodies also. So it's a crucial part of the design of Class 1 electrical systems. The requirements or the recommendations are under the IEEE 308. The major safety systems in a nuclear power plant that are related to the Class 1 electrical systems are: 1. The emergency core cooling system. That is very important part of the nuclear power plant in case of safety. Second one is safe shutdown and reactor trip circuits. Third one is containment isolation. Fourth one is emergency diesel generators. And fourth one is DC supply units, including UPS for the instrumentation control systems and control relay panels also, and so on. These systems are under the Class 1E electrical systems. The supply should be from the Class 1E electrical supply. So there are some mandatory requirements for this Class 1 electrical systems that are under the IEEE standard 308. So we can look into those recommendations. The recommendation coming under the IEEE standard 308 is: first one is reliability and redundancy. These Class 1E electrical systems should have the redundant and reliable source of supply, the lines, the protections, and so on. The whole components, the whole system should be redundant and reliable. That's mandatory. Second one is the independence and separation. These systems should be physically separated and electrically isolated. Third one is, important one is, it should be survive the single failure criterion. What is a single failure criterion? Single failure criterion means if one of the component or a subsystem fails, the whole system will not affect. The system will operate without any lag or without any problem. It will operate. That is a single failure criteria. This Class 1 electrical system should follow this criterion. And we can look into the other requirement, that is qualification and testing. The components, the systems, the protection, the whole Class 1 electrical system should be under this qualification and testing. The equipments, the components, the whole system should be used by the qualified equipments, qualified materials, and so on. And also the whole system should be under several tests passed. The whole test should be passed. There are some type of tests to be done on these electrical systems. The test should be passed before installing or before the operation. These requirements are mandatory for the IEEE, as per the IEEE standard 308. There are some other standards also under IEEE relating to the Class 1 electrical systems, that are: 1. IEEE 323. That is the environment qualification of the safety systems under class 1 electrical systems. IEEE 344, that is the seismic qualification of class 1 electrical systems. And next one is IEEE 379, that is the application of recommendation for the application of single failure criterion, that we have already discussed about that single failure criterion. And next one is IEEE 384, that is the separation between the class 1 electrical system and the non-class 1 electrical systems. The last one is IEEE 741, that is the design criteria for the DC battery systems. We know that the battery system is a crucial part of the electrical systems everywhere, especially in the nuclear power plant. There are some tests, there are some routine maintenance tests for the batteries. They should be tested between some intervals should be tested. There are so many recommendations for that battery system that are coming under the IEEE 741. And last one is monitoring and testing. There should be some monitoring systems for whole class 1 electrical systems. It should be monitored every time during the operation or even in the non-operating conditions. And also there are some tests that should be done during the operation and also in other conditions also. The test should be done for the class 1 electrical systems, that is mandatory as per the standards. So for referring the standards and also the recommendations, we can easily understand that the whole class 1 electrical system is very crucial, that are under the strict surveillance of the regulatory bodies also. So it's a great topic. I know that there are more details to dive in this topic, but for now I'm concluding this presentation. Thank you for watching.